Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south central Wisconsin, western Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Friendship to 7 miles north of Portage to near DeForest, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaver Dam, Portage, Columbus, Berlin, Fall River, Montello, Markesan, Princeton, Green Lake, Lawrence, Fox Lake, Arlington, and Waukeena. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 233 has been